Okay, up here, this is the view from up here. This is the roof. Looked like they had all this corn. Maybe that's what this family did. They had corn. Ew, holy shit, that looks like a snake skin. Oh my flipping God. Oh my God. Holy crap. Why is it hanging there? Look, okay, that's a snake skin. Why the frick is it hanging off of the freaking window like that? Like they hung it there on purpose to dry. Right now, I'm freaking out. That's freaking creeping me out. And there's a locked door. Can't get in. Why is that door locked? Hello? It's locked and I can't even push it open. Okay. Guess I'm not going there. See how safe this is. I'm walking very carefully. The frick is that? Okay, that doesn't look good either. I don't know what that is. Creeping me out. It's dead snake skin and now some funky jar. And that's that room. Oh my God. Is there a fireplace in there? No, just a window. Little creepy vibe right there for a second. Okay. That is weird. This jar is freaking me out. I don't know what the heck that is. Ew. Don't know what's in it. Why was there a snake skin hanging? Oh, this room looks even worse. Yeah. There's all kinds of insulation stuff around. And there's up there, must be the attic, but definitely can't go up there. Okay, this is the view from the front of the house. There's our car. Metal roof. This is a view from out here. And this is where I just came from. All right, I'm gonna go back down. I'm curious why I can't get in that door. Okay. One more look at the weird ass snake skin. Sorry, I don't mean to cuss, but that is weird. Why is that a snake skin? Like literally, why? Why? Hanging outside the window. And again, can't get in the door at all. Okay, I'm heading down the stairway. Okay, that was weird. That was definitely weird. That was weird. Okay, anywho, this is the stuff. Very weird. There's a jar up there of red stuff. I don't know what it is. And there's a drying snake skin hanging outside of one of the windows.
Cool.
Yeah, weird. I say weird.
Are you filming?
Yes.
Oh, because you're like...
What?
I was like,
No, I was filming.
This is even corn. The house was surrounded by children of the corn.
Hello, with a snake skin, children of the corn, snake skin hanging out the window, creepy red jar.
It's interesting. I got some pictures on there. No wonder you can't open the doors. The vines and the trees have taken over.
But look, doesn't that almost look like a camera out underneath that window?
No.
Look at it.
Those two things?
Look underneath that arch window.
Oh, looks like a light. Or a bulb would go in.
I'm hearing noises in there now.
Well, I got some pictures of it, so I'll post those too.
That is so weird.
It's a
Okay.
beautiful piece of land, though.
Yeah. Where's that snake skin? Corn.
Keep those down to like under 700.
Going around to the back of the house here. Where the heck was that snake skin? That doesn't make sense. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna take a tour of the back and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm coming around towards the back. Oh, I think it was back here. What are these? Like, I don't know what they're called. But this is the back of the house. There's that snake skin. See if I can get a close-up of it this way. See it hanging outside there? It's so weird. It was gross, scared me to pieces. Okay, this is the back of the house. Lots of poop out here. That's where I was, people, up there. Wow. Yep. This is like the view from the front, like I showed you before. It's from where I'm standing. There's nothing. Like, God forbid anything happens out here, because there's a house way over there. There is nothing out here. But there was corn, so I don't get it. Like, somebody must have planted it. No, no. Lynn thinks this house could be salvaged. It's like a tear down. I wouldn't even know where to begin with this thing. I mean, it's beautiful, but... And look, there's up behind it. Nothing but corn. Rows and rows of corn at one time. But see, the corn is like, I don't know. Okay, sun's coming out. Okay. Oh, this is squishy back here in front. This was you could see like the wraparound porch. It had a really pretty wraparound porch at one time. This is it from the side. Looks cool, right? Oh my God, this is like super cool. We had a better flashlight to look around on the inside more than what we did, but we had pretty good. I got a lot upstairs, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this old Victorian, and hope you enjoyed it. This is one of the coolest days. We have gotten a lot of cool houses, so see you later. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye from Back Road Mamas. Bye.